Alright, hello, welcome to the stream. We have stuff's happening. This is good. Alright, it's been a while, I guess. It's been actually a long time, maybe like a month, 2 months. I started Contextualize, so that was pretty fun. I got the first episode on Cool Computer Scientists, more episodes to come. So, the big question is, what am I doing today? Answer is, making it up as I go along. Except I did actually have a plan. I was going to go in with zero plan, but in the end I was like, I should have some plan, so I do. So the plan is to take my What the Tinker programming project thing and like pull it apart and do things with it. So that's what I was thinking. So first we need to get a version. Maybe get the developer edition. That'll be cool. I guess I'll paste it on the desktop. So I was thinking basically, if I get it up and running, I can sort of look at it. I have an executable copy somewhere. That might be the strat. It might not be. Yeah. Does it crash immediately or not? It might crash immediately. Yo, that's taking forever to copy. Okay. The applications folder isn't working. No one's in chat. I have a viewer, but I don't know if it's counting me looking at chat as a viewer, probably. Oh, here we are. Was it in here? Oh, is it not in here? Pain. Well, that's no fun. Okay. Special edition. Oh, what is my naming of files? There'll be an executable on here. There is not. Alright. Oh, I was actually right. Oh, wow. Is it done copying though? Yo. Code vibes and stuff. Hog. There we go. Incredible. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so there's an executable here. Could use that. Or we could go in, can open that in here. Alright, I'll make the thing bigger. Usually I don't put music stuff on while doing stuff, but maybe try new things. Yeah, that'll probably be about big enough to see, I hope, because I stream at like 240p. Let's go. I haven't muted myself, have I? I haven't. I also don't know how loud that is, probably very quiet. And then how loud's that? About right, I think. We'll see. Okay, cool. So essentially at the moment, this I assume just goes from the top, but we'll see. Click this button. What happens? Oh yeah. Gotta love that lag. I assume it's going from the top. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Incredible. The mixing makes no sense in this track. Like, the track's cool, but the start's really quiet and then the middle bit is like way too loud. But it's all good. So why is it crashing? I guess I'm using a different version of Python that does dumb things. Oh no. I don't want to deal with that. Okay, how do I make it not freak out? I meant to use PyCharm for this, but that's really no fun. How's it evaluating it? Alright, so what we can do is comment that out. And we can have it just set player progress to, I mean, it's already being overwritten here, and we don't want to deal with that. Okay, now it might work. Please. We should have it stop checking screen dimensions because that's just annoying. Hey, I got lots of tracks going on. Incredible. That could probably be really loud, so let's put that down. There we go. Is that about right? Oh, it's hard to mix live. I think that's right. Okay. So this is what we have to work with, and essentially, I want a bit more of a full level, but we can do it really easily. Okay. So essentially, that music's bad. Okay, so essentially, first of all, we want to have this stuff not being done, so we'll just delete it out of existence. I don't want to delete the top line in case it's important. I don't think it is, but oh yeah, and we want a later level because that was no fun. Just have the player progress set here. Let's go with level 2 for now, see if that's any better. Oh, I need that. Why does it get it here? I assume it's a tuple. It looks like a tuple. Everyone's chat say hi, but I don't think there is. Which is fine. It still doesn't like it, but I have user screen dimensions. No, I don't. There's an S. Okay. Now it will run. Yay. Will it? Oh, it's freaking out about something. Okay, and now it's trying to read stuff. It does need the dialogue file. We should be able to read it. I don't think there's anything particularly taxing in there. Okay, I guess we have a deep dive into this. I was not expecting it not to be able to read stuff. This is programming. We did have discussion topics, but I'm in programming mode now. And got to fix it. And then hopefully once things are all going the way they should, it'll be fine. So level 2. Oh gosh, it's because it's trying to read everything from the top. And we haven't told it how to... Oh no. That's not fun. But it's okay, we'll just figure out where it's trying to read it from, and then we'll... Oh, it's doing a lot of things where it's going from a different path. It seemed fine with all of this, so I'm guessing it loaded the game image fine. But then why when it gets to the dialogue specifically? Does it not like it? Game data / level dialogue. Oh, where's game data? Up here. It should be fine. And it's just reading that. Now what text in here is it not like? Seems fine. What's the error message again? Oh, what's happening? Can't code byte in position. Not in range 128. If you say so, Python. I mean, it's a very simple fix, which is just to copy this code into here. That might be the strat. So essentially it's trying to read the data in this text file and load it into here. But if we just copy it across, should be fine. Boop. Or is it because there's a comment? If I just delete the comment, we'll all be fine. Imagine if that fixed it. Imagine. No, it didn't fix it. Okay. It would have been a game moment if that worked. I'm just trying to steal the framework. I really don't care about the design of the code making sense. So here we'll just go self.level2 dialog, assign value, that. Work please. Oh my goodness, it worked. Yes. Now let's break the code some more. Okay, what else needs breaking? We don't want this silly screen for forever. How long is it taking? That was years. Oh, what's... Level 2's garbage. Okay, fine. Level 3 I see it is then. I just want a regular, like, collection of tiles and stuff. I should probably name this video accordingly afterwards. I don't really feel like it, but then it makes no sense at the moment. But I kind of like that about it. Oh no. Wait, 17. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a fun level. Yeah, we can work with this. Oh, we fall forever, don't we? Incredible. Falling at the speed of light. Very rapid. How long do I have to wait until I reset back up? Ah, not too bad. Okay, we have ourselves a level, guys. The big question is it constantly reading in the level data? Probably not, unfortunately. Oh, I just closed that file. It's not what was planned. Okay. Okay, so I imagine the game data's in here. It is. Fortunately, I laid everything out in a sensible way. Oh no. Oh, that's the level data? Oh no. So I was thinking basically like using this, because the game engine's all here, like all the hard work in terms of being able to move around, things drawing in the right place, and all that sort of stuff is all sorted. So I was thinking it's kind of Minecraft but weird. You know, it'd be kind of interesting to have like this 2D, 3D isometric thing, but then with like Minecraft things. And I was like, yo, well, let's do that. So I need to figure out where my editor is. I definitely have an editor somewhere. Where's the original? Oh no. Where would it be stored? That is the question. I was thinking that I'd be able to like break down this code into something that I can reuse really quickly. I just forgot how long it takes to like develop anything with programming stuff. Player level creations. Oh yeah, when you beat it you can make a new thing. Oh, maybe that's what I should do. Use the built-in. Yes, I like that idea. Let's do that. Why are the level creations level 2 and level 4? Let me play the game normally up to that point to find out what's going on. Well, not normally, but like... Okay, I want value -1. Let's see how much that breaks anything, if at all. So we got -3, we'll go -1. Because essentially, there's like two formats. There's one, oh, I've got a drawing tablet recently, which I'll use as soon as I get back to like normal math stuff. Which I'm realizing now is probably a good idea as opposed to just doing a video without really scripting it. Not scripting it, but coming up with a plan. Oh, spoilers. But what is happening here? I love this layout, but why is it level 2 editor and level 4 editor? Why not level 1 and level 2 editors? What was... Okay. Oh, my buttons don't work. Oh, I'm a failure. Oh, it does work. Okay. Wow, this layout's actually not bad. I think it's cool. I don't know if anyone else does. And the font's super cool. I hope I licensed it correctly in terms of giving whoever made the original font feedback correctly. I don't know if I did or not. Yo, so I can like draw quickly without having to deal with a mouse and stuff. This is fun. This is exciting. Yo, I can like draw like, what do I want to draw? Let's draw Sonic. Oh, this isn't gonna look good. Oh, the wrong thing. Like if we draw his nose here, we can draw a more convincing thing quicker. That's not convincing at all. Oh, it's terrible. But like you can draw more freely, and it's much less painful than drawing with a mouse. But having said that, it hasn't improved my Sonic drawing that much. And you can like write stuff like, gotta go fast, much quicker. He says, yeah. Pretty fun. Although the lag's not making it. Okay, anywho, so essentially, I don't know if it'll be any good for what I'm wanting to describe here, but essentially you can have like a layout where the whole level data is like this, so it's like one letter per block, so it's really easy to edit. So if you want to edit it, you can just change one character, kind of like this. I should probably just find the file, but I kind of wanted to draw. So you have it like that. So it's like super easy to change one character, change a block on the level. But then what it does is it compiles it. It's not really compiling, but essentially turns it into this format, so that the computer can specifically know what's happening. But obviously this is much change to change one block with this layout than with this layout where it's really easy to change the level. Okay. Oh, it's broken. How did... How? This wasn't meant to lag it. What logic is it even doing? Well, we'll never know. How can we make it not freak out about nothing? That is the question. Okay, what I'm thinking is insert the value here, use a super progress equals 2, and then just remove that code from existence, and then it should work. No, it's trying to read text files. I hope it's not reading an important text file. No, it's dialogue. Dialogue 1, not important. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, we can fix that if we wanted to fix that. Don't know if I do. Oh man, this is dense. So you have to use keyword pass like that to say do nothing. So we've got an opening of a clause saying with this do something, but we have to say what we're doing, so here we're saying nothing. So we can, instead of having it read what it needs to read, we'll just tell it what it is, so it doesn't have to read anything. If you can't read, just insert it directly into the person's brain. Problem solved. Programming mentality. Where would it be stored? Oh, level data, game data. Yeah. Yep. That's just level 2 for 1, 2, 4. Where's the level? Oh, I can have a look where it's going. Choosing level 2? What? I don't understand. Is it just because does it actually need it? I don't know. Oh no, that's not what we wanted. Oh no. I broke my computer. Let's go. Water sound effects. What's it trying to load? Is it infinite looped for no reason? This is not good because I need this data. What's it storing here? Oh no, I'm willing to just quit. But if it's gone, it's going to be tragic. It's not gone. That's a W. I don't know what it was trying to process. I was just trying to undo what I'd done. Clearly more data than I'm realizing. Oh, there's more things to do. Okay. Well, now it doesn't have to read because that seems to be the pro strat here. Oh, Pygame loaded. Level 2 level editor. We got these super long title screens. Last for forever for no reason. I should probably remove the music too because I think it'd be better. Yo! No, never mind. The music for this is epic. Yo! We can build. Let's go. So how can I add more blocks to this? Oh, this is epic. Yeah. So you can like build whatever. Might have to. I've forgotten all the controls. How do I? Oh, space. Level editor controls. Use arrow keys to move the cursor around. C key to move. Okay, up. Yeah, makes sense. C and left shift. X and Z. I can show a keyboard viewer to show what I'm doing. It really doesn't matter, but I feel like being overly fancy. Will it show? Oh, it will. Look at this high quality content. Oh my goodness. Over on the right side here, it's got button presses. So X and Z cycles through. How do I place V? Incredible. Yo. Yo. Okay, so essentially you can do like a checkered or whatever. So how easy is it to add tiles? We're making progress, boys. This is epic. Okay. So here's the this is irrelevant. Here's the code for what's the code, man. Oh, why am I so surprised at how much code there is? I think I just haven't done any huge programs for a while. I've been like doing like classes. You'll see it when I like start publishing my contextualize. I've only done one episode. I only uploaded one episode, but I think I've made about 6 or 7. And one of the final ones, I think it was episode 6. I got a friend of mine who was like, "Yo," I was like, "Yo, do you want to learn about programming?" They're like, "Sure." And I was like, "Let's go." So I went through some programming, and the stuff we did was actually manageable. But this, so I need to find. Okay, let me find a way to have the music on or off depending on what I want to do. Let's first get our priorities straight. Make sure there's no music that we don't want. So I imagine it's the jukebox object we're doing things with. So we need to tell it to stop doing the thing. Oh, where's that going to be? Yep, here we got the music level editor. Okay. Self-dot jukebox level music edit track. Okay, when do we tell the jukebox to do a thing? I could always search for it, but Python's search for feature is actually annoying. I wish it was simpler. Like, look. When you push search, just like, oh, what is... It's just excessive. Why are there so many options for looking for things? Yo, the keyboard's kind of sick. I might just leave it. No, wait, jukebox. Is it just called jukebox? Yeah. But where I've told it to play a new track? Oh, it's in here. Haha. No, what? I have to close that. What's happening? Okay. Right. So if we go in here and we go, bye, then we'll be happy. We need to get rid of the silly tail scream thing. Tail scream thing's fine. Yeah, goodbye. Incredible. All the annoying things are at the top right there in that method, self.play. You can see here. It's self-dot because we're in a class. Could scroll up to show that, but I don't feel like it. Yo, this is Pog. Huh? No module name scripts. Why is it doing this all of a sudden? It never had a problem with this before. Okay. Oh, no music's kind of sad though. But we can add it in artificially. Can I? I could. Potentially. Yes. Watch, we do this. Put some sick beats on. Bump that up. Hello. I guess that's the best one. Sag. Okay. Right, and what we do is go into there and stuff. Or maybe I should just go on the main one. Aha. Streaming 101. This is so unnecessary. What am I doing? No, actually it's very necessary. What am I talking about? Okay. Sleep deprivation stream be like... Why are there so many options? And while I'm here, I'm going to grab one more. Now I need to test out things to make sure they're the right thing. Nope. 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 Huh.
Rated everyone 10 and up.
Where is it? Wait, I'm being dumb. Am I? I think I'm being dumb, guys. For many reasons, but one specific reason. Whoa, that's okay. No, it should be right here. Oh, don't worry, I'll get there eventually with this streaming stuff. If I do it enough, I'm guaranteed to get better at it, right? It'll be in the sound folder. Why is sound not a part of game data? What was I? Okay. I guess because finding the music was a pain and stuff. Yes. We win these. So now we can have this separately. Incredible. Will it loop? It won't loop. How do I make it loop? It won't loop. There must be a thing to make it loop. Oh, whose idea was this software be like? Is there really nothing? Oh, come on. Okay, we listen to these beats instead. Yep. Incredible. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, so level editor. We know the controls, maybe. I don't know if we do. Please music, can you be less dramatic? Okay, cool. Right, so we need to look through the code and find out what's going on. So it might be in the alright, where would it be? Oh, this has got the tiles that it can be. That's good. Yeah, so what I need is its framework too. So this is good, but I also need, so essentially, I can draw a diagram in a second. This is exciting, this is getting annoying. What's happening? So, no, it's not devs. Dev scripts. Oh, this is probably where all the fun stuff is that I probably do useful things here at some point. Okay. So it'll be in the scripts, I imagine. Game loop frameworks. It'll be the pause framework. I never recoded pause, but I was planning to, so I went in here. It's annoying there's no loop. What if I coded a button that makes it turn on or off? I could probably do that. Hold on. Need to innovate the world. No. I probably could, but it's a lot of effort. I'll just keep replaying. I see how it is. Okay. So essentially what I'm looking for is the method that does it. I was going to draw a diagram, but I just want to get things changing. Looking through code. Oh, it might be in the init method. Doesn't seem to be anything about rendering stuff in, but it must be in here. It'll be in render game board or something. Update game board. That looks promising. Oh, okay, yeah. This is the golden thing here. Draw image. Whoa. Oh, I tried to change. Oh. What? When you run out of memory to display the thing. Oh, I need a more powerful computer desperately. It was referencing another data structure though. I'm trying to think what kind of this isn't really programming. Well, it kind of is. This is trying to understand either your own code from previously or someone else's code, so you can manipulate, like exploit it for what you want to do. Self.game image tiles. That's important. I should probably write that down, but I'm not going to because I don't feel like it. Self.game image tiles. That'll be here somewhere. He says. It's got to be here somewhere. Because where else would it be set up? Where else are we going to declare that? There's nothing more fundamental in this class. This is the top super class, I think. I guess I'm wrong though, because it's not here. It doesn't inherit from anything else. This shouldn't be possible. Let's just look for it. Dot game image tiles. Yep. That's it. Where's it referencing it from? What? Where? It's from here? But how's it? It doesn't inherit from here. Oh my goodness, what? How can it reference something from the child? I thought I understood object-oriented programming. Alright, let's make Minecraft assets then. It's MS Paint time. Okay. This is wild. I should think about stories as well. Just general conversation things. But the programming's too exciting, man. I could do something less exciting, but then got nothing to fall back on. What's happening here? Oh, the game assets folder. This is where things go down. Oh, what? Oh, it's a mess. Amazing. Alright, making a grass block, dudes. Alright, so we duplicate that. We make it look like a grass block. Pixel art time. Yo. I'm doing pixel art. That means my views should go up by 400%, right? I don't know. I don't know. Pixel art is something people get excited about. Sometimes. Overexcited. Okay, we're gonna need the colors. Colors. Oh. Oh. It's pixel by pixel. No, it's not. But then if I use this pixel tool, it's not going to be aligned. Ah. Go with the color. Oh no. Now we could go with this. Like this. Yeah. This is too much effort. Maybe I should just like... Oh, yeah. Yeah. Amazing. And then we'll do like weird marks that make no sense. Because that seemed like a good plan. Yeah. That's very arty. Yeah. Oh. Right. And one more dark one. Grass. Okay, and then we can go grass block. And then I'm imagining we can just dump it in here. Call it grass block. We'll also put that on. There we go. Like that. And we'll do pygame.image.load. It's just you get the syntax on Pygame's website. Grassblock.png. Add a comma there because we're inside a data structure. We have to say they're different elements. Yay. And then I'm guessing we put it on the carousel of game tiles. So we saw it earlier. Well, I saw it earlier. Where is it? It'll be up somewhere. Oh, I need to figure out which key swaps it. No, it'll just be in the keys. Where's the button presses? Here it is. What is this? Why is this inside the Pygame event loop? What? I think this is bad coding practice here, guys. I think I was throwing. What is this? It doesn't make sense. Oh, cursor tiles ring. Yep. Where did I set that up? But we know what it's called now. Cursor tiles ring toggle. Where is it? Making progress. I don't care if this makes sense. Let's just edit in. Where do I want it? I want to put it after this one. Oh, but we're assuming that we have a thing. We most probably don't have a thing. Grass block there. I don't know if it goes an update game board. Might do. I feel like there's somewhere else I need to set it up. Ah, heck, let's just do it. We'll let the code break and tell us where it went wrong, and then move from there. Yeah, breaking. image. Great spellings. Who knew? To program you have to be able to spell. What? Okay, where is it? Ah! Where's oh, it's in a data structure nowhere. Yes, here it is. How did I not spot that? I just like completely butchered typing that entirely. Okay, go. Now we wait. What? It worked? Oh, it's not here. Huh? Rigged. Oh, it must feature that. Can I put ones below it? I cannot. Design levels hard. Right, and if we edit it again, oh, we've lost Bezos, but grass block. Let's go. It looks terrible. Alright, this is the start of epicness. And I guess eventually we want it so the player, while moving around, can push a button and it will place. What I'm thinking in terms of the engine is that it will place. So let's say the player was there. Let's say the player was here. what I'm thinking is they have a place block thing, place block key, and when they push the place block key, it'll place a block there, and if there's a block there when they push it, it will place the block here, and if there's a block there when they push it, it'll place it here. So go floor, one higher, like that. Oh. So that would be the next part. But programming this live seems really dull and not much fun. We added grass blocks though, which is something. Oh, I should just do a playthrough of this game sometime. That is the real strat. It probably wouldn't be that much effort and would be pretty exciting though to have it so it places it there. Maybe. Oh, the music's come back on for the thing. Interesting. Okay. Alright, now what to finish? I don't know. Mess. Oh, that's where setting up should have occurred. Do that now, I guess, if I feel like it. I kind of do. That would have it start from the beginning. Alright, what's happening here? What am I doing? Oh, here it is. So that's what would do things that we could cancel if we didn't want that. Okay. Well, coming towards the end, I guess. It's pretty good. So essentially, the plan was like, doo-doo. What a data structure. Oh, we've got unbalanced brackets. Can't be having that. Oh, this is so small. Nope. Go there. Nope. So that's the thing. Drawing tablet for maths videos and stuff. So, but I don't know how I managed to just like do those like continually. I guess I could get back into it and stuff. But yeah. That's the end and stuff. I guess the thought is, it's weird because like part of me, I don't know if Let's get some water. Yum. Because part of me, like, I don't know, YouTube's like changed and stuff. I feel like now it's a lot more business oriented, but like in the past there were like a lot of YouTube I mean there still are like YouTube channels about how to do YouTube. I guess we still have that. I don't know what it was like in the past. I guess it was sort of how it is now in terms of, yo, you do this to optimize views and stuff, but there's certainly a lot of channels like that now. Anyway, the reason I say this is because I feel like I've heard all sorts of advice and stuff, but one of the more interesting ones, I don't know if I actually heard this or not, or I'm just imagining this, is the idea that to do it well, what are we going to call this guy? Yo. Structure be like, we'll call him I for influencer, yo. Wait, what is it doing? This drawing tablet's fun. This drawing tablet's way too much fun. Yo, that's way too big. But anyway, yeah. It's really interesting it does that. It like blocks you off from a certain thing. So anyway, the idea was, right, is you'd like, oh no, please tell me it didn't open that software. The idea is that if you have like someone else you do the video things with, we'll call him Bob because we can. Can I like joined up handwriting? Yo, fun. The idea is if you have someone else there, you can like talk to them rather than directly to an anonymous, unidentifiable entity that is a camera, and that would allow things to work. But the idea is why is that specifically? Because a lot of the time they wouldn't actually say anything, and you would say the thing to them. But if they're not saying anything, then surely this can be anything. It doesn't actually have to be that person. So you'd think that like maybe you could trick your brain into thinking it's Bob, when in reality it's just a camera. Can I draw a camera? Oh, that's actually the other interesting thing about art and stuff, is that although like some people actually just can draw really interesting, good things out of their head, most people really can't. And that doesn't necessarily mean they're bad at art or drawing. It just, most people need reference images to be able to draw well. So you need to look at something else. Like for example, when you're drawing a camera, you need images of cameras and then you draw from them. And then it will look good. But if you draw straight out of your head, it usually doesn't, which is kind of wild. This camera looks okay. I think I'm particularly bad at drawing out of my head and making it look normal. This is, see, like this tree doesn't look like a tree. Kind of does. It's actually an okay tree, maybe. And if I give it a smiley face, it'll look even more realistic. Incredible. Yo. But yeah, this theory's kind of like, because if Bob's not doing anything, and a lot of times Bob isn't doing anything, then it's like, surely you can just imagine the camera is Bob, and then everything will be okay. But I guess ideally Bob would be like good at giving questions. I guess in a lot of cases that is the case. It's all very interesting. And the other thing that's really interesting is disconnect between like well, this is what I was planning to do towards the start, but then I was like, nah, programming. And now I'm like, yeah, no, I'm done with programming for today. Actually, I might do more afterwards, but in terms of doing stuff and having a stream going. So yeah, so like what you imagine you'd be able to do versus like what you'd actually do. Let's do a person doing a front flip kind of. Incredible. And the mismatch there. I don't know if it's the same way it's mismatch in terms of people think they can do more than they actually can do, or they can do more than they think they can. I think there's some of that. sometimes you do things that you're like, yo, I didn't think I could do it, and other times you're like, you think you can do something and then like you realize, nope. Okay, this is a very strange philosophy drawing thing now. And this is Sonic. Yay. This is so strange. Have I got any other programming project things on my hard drive? Yay. I might do. I want to have a look. I don't think I do though. This game with the isometric grid thing is probably the biggest thing. Oh yeah, we have player 2 here, which I don't think made it into the game. Sad. Yeah, no, there's not going to be any more programming things. Okay, I guess I'll end streams here. This was a strange stream, but that's kind of what I wanted to do. I kind of wanted to like go like full on experiments in terms of no plan and see what happens. The answer is interesting things. It's definitely, I think, quite worthwhile just to see what would happen. Something happened at least. At least I didn't go, actually no, I don't want to stream and end it immediately. Although maybe I should have. Okay, bye. Catch you guys later. Adios.